Hi, welcome to the Ingredient channel. Thanks to your support, it is exciting that our small channel just reached 1,000 subscribers. To celebrate this great milestone, I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Chinese flatbread at home in only 2 steps. For its shape, in Chinese, the bread has a name of 面鱼 or 卤篦子, which means wheat fish or stove grate. Which one you prefer? First, let's prepare the dough. 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, a ½ cup of cornmeal, 3/4 cup of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Mix thoroughly. Add 1½ teaspoon of salt to the dried ingredients, followed by 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well. Add in the liquid ingredients in multiple times while mixing the dried ingredients at the same time. The dough is sticky and soft by design, so definitely put on a plastic kitchen glove to help free your hand. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in 3 different times and knead the oil into the dough. Set aside and let the dough rise for about 4 hours. Once the dough rises to about 2 times of its size, knead and let out the air. At this time, it is still soft, but not as sticky. Separate the dough into 4 or 5 equal parts. On a flat surface, I'm just going to use a glass plate. Use our hand to make a round pad about 2 millimeters thick. Cut twice in the middle so it looks like a fish or stove grate. In a heated pan, put enough oil to soak the bread. Make sure the oil is hot enough, around 240 Fahrenheit. Fry the bread for about 1½ minutes on one side. Now you see the 2 cuts in the middle is really to allow the oil to get in so that the bread can be fried more evenly. flip and fry the other side for another 1 to 2 minutes. And then voila, we're done. The bread is soft inside and it's a little crispy outside. It's salty and great to serve with milk, porridge, or soy milk for breakfast. Well, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Try it and let me know your thoughts. Like always, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you around.